Hi everyone, welcome back to this new video. In this new session, we are going to see today how to copy AMI and snapshot from one region to another region. For this demo, I'm going to create my original AMI in a Mumbai region and I'll copy that AMI for the Singapore region. Same ways, I'll create a snapshot and I'll move that snapshot to the Singapore region. Okay. So for this demo session, I need to have one EC2 instance. From that, I need to create a AMI. So without wasting time, we'll jump into the practical section. I'll go to EC2 console. Let me launch an instance. So if you have any existing EC2 instance, for that also you can do the same thing. The process is first you need to create a AMI. So for that, I need EC2 server. So I'm creating this. Let it be Amazon Linux T2 Micro. Key pair I'll take it as CR desktop and I'll deploy this in a public subnet. So what I'll do, I'll take access of this server and also create one folder. So when we deploying in another region, it should be available there. So launch wizard 9, rest everything same. So when this is useful for you means like think you have a one main region in your company for your client, but what happens, something happens to the Mumbai region, there is some disaster. So during that time what you could have been done, like you could have been set up already copying the AMIs from one region to another region, in our case Mumbai to Singapore. So if any disaster happens for a Mumbai region, then you can deploy the same instance in a Singapore region with the latest available AMI. So if you have a snapshot, you cannot create a EC2 instance. You can just create a EBS volume from it. So to create a complete EC2 instance, you need to have a complete AMI backup. AMI backups come with the system configuration and also the data. So that's the difference between AMI and snapshot. Already I have made one video on what is AMI and what is snapshot. So you can refer to that also. I'll leave that link in this I button or in a comment section. So let me connect to this. Yes, I am able to get the access. I'll take root privileges. What I'll do, I'll go to cd/home. Here currently I have only EC2 user folder. I'll do one make directory and I'll create test AMI. So this has created one folder. Now what I'll do, I'll go back to here. I will initiate the AMI of the server. To do that, go to actions, image and templates, create image. The best way is always copy your instance name, the best naming format I'm saying, paste it, and also after that put the today's date 03 2025, and after that if you want you can mention for what purpose you are creating this testing AMI copy. So in description you can write all the things like why you are creating this or when you want to delete this. So what I'll do here, delete after 2 days. I'll just write it description as delete after 2 days. Always remember, click on this, like disable this. If you enable this, what happens when you take a AMI, it will restart the system in OS level, like in a service level. It won't restart complete system which you can monitor in a console level, but in service level it will restart. So I don't want to do that. I'll create name, I'll take this name itself, copy and paste it. So let this AMI get created. So as I said, AMI is a copy of system configuration and also the data. So when I take the AMI, I don't need to again take the snapshot separately. I'll open the snapshot here. What I'll do, always copy your AMI ID. Come here. If you have multiple, just paste your AMI ID. It will show you this. So we'll do both the things. We'll try to move this also, and we will try to move this AMI also. So let us wait for a few minutes. Okay. Now we can see the snapshot has been completed. Same way, if you see our AMI should also be completed. Yes, it is also in available state. What we will do now, we need to copy this AMI first. So click on actions. You can see this first option, that is copy AMI. Click on it. Here you will see this is the name of your copying AMI name. I'll keep it the same thing. In description, I'll write it as copy from Mumbai to Singapore. Okay, so this is the main step here, destination region. So currently we are in Mumbai region, you can see here. So the destination should be our Singapore region. So we need to select our Singapore region. If you want to copy for any other regions like US East one, that is North Virginia, you can select that also. For this demo, I am taking Singapore region. Let that tags also be copied. I'll copy this name. Come here. I don't want to encrypt the EBS snapshots, so I'm not ticking that. I'll add the tags. I'll keep the same name. I'll click on copy AMI. So can you see on the top now in blue it is showing for this AMI 3PB, that is the AMI which is created in source region, that is Mumbai region. Now it has initiated to copy, and where it is getting copied, AP Southeast 1. What is AP Southeast 1? It is a Singapore region. To check that, I'll open the Singapore region here. Okay, let me just resize this. See, currently I'm in Singapore region. It is in pending state. Okay, so let us wait for 2 seconds. Okay, so let us see the status of our Singapore region. It is still in progress. What I'll do, I'll copy this AMI, open the snapshots in Singapore region, and I can see the progress is still 0%. If you don't know how much percent it is completed, the AMI copying or AMI when you triggered, you can always come to the snapshot, paste your AMI ID. So what it does, it will list all the snapshots under that AMI. So here you can see current the progress is 0%. So we'll refresh once again. So we'll wait for 2 minutes. I'll pause this video. Once this is completed in a Singapore region copying from Mumbai, I'll come back. Okay, now we can see our snapshot has been completed, and if you see our AMI in Singapore region, it is also copied successfully. Okay, so how much time it took approximately? So it was initiated at 11:19. The current time is 11:25. That is of 6 minutes, approximately 6 minutes it took for me to copy from Mumbai region to Singapore region. What I'll do now, I'll go back to this Mumbai region. I'll deregister this AMI. I don't want this, so I'll deregister. So in Mumbai region now, I don't have any kind of AMI. Only I'll be having a snapshot. So now I will show you how to copy snapshot. So for this also it is same. Come here, click on the actions, then go to copy snapshot. This process also same like a AMI, how we copied, we need to just select the destination region here. The region is AP Southeast 1. Okay. So if you don't know what is the code, then what you can do, you can come here, you can search here. For me, Singapore is AP Southeast 1. So I have already selected that. Okay. I don't want to encrypt this. I'll just only snapshot copied. I'll just keep this name itself for our demo purpose. I'll add the tags also same. So make sure you always do the changes in destination region. Select it where you want to copy. So this is my source AP Southern. Okay. Now I'll click on create snapshot. See, successfully created snapshot copy in AP Southeast 1. That is our Singapore region. I'll open this also. Okay. It is already available here as soon as I put it to copy. So what I'll do, I'll also terminate the server in Mumbai region. So this is shutting down. I don't have any AMIs here. I'll also delete the snapshot also in Mumbai region. Now in Mumbai region, I don't have anything. It is getting terminated. Let it terminate. So AMI, you can see snapshot is also empty. Okay, it is terminated. Even the system is terminated. What I'll do, I'll close all this Mumbai region tabs. Now I have only the Singapore region tabs. First, what I'll do, I'll create a AMI from this EC2 instance. Select your AMI, click on launch instance from AMI. EC2 from AMI. This is just from our understanding, we are giving that name. So here you can select this, and here I don't have any new VPCs. So let me check which is the public VPC so that I can, sorry, public subnet. So in that we will launch this. Okay, all are public subnets. That's good. So subnet is, I'll take it 1A, enable. Let it create a new here. I don't have any existing configurations here, like a security group, key pair, anything. So I'm going with the default for now. I'll click on launch instance. So what we are going to test inside the system, we had created one folder, if you remember, test AMI. So is that folder available? We'll just check that. Okay. Now if you see snapshot is also copied, there should be two snapshots. I'll show you that. See, only snapshot copied is a demo for how to copy snapshot from one region to another region, and the another is testing AMI copy. This snapshot had come with along with the AMI. The AMI is this one. No, sorry. Okay, AMI tab has been gone. I think I'll open it again. See, this is the only AMI we have. It has been copied from Mumbai region to Singapore region. So soon, I don't want to waste much time. I'll try to connect this server. Connect. Okay, we got the access. That is great. Take the root access. Sorry. So if you remember, we had created a slash home folder ll test AMI. So when we copy from Mumbai region to Singapore region, even our data is getting copied through with the AMI. Okay. So that's all for this video. I hope it is very clear now how to move one AMI from Mumbai region to Singapore region or any region. So if you people have any doubts, ask your questions in a comment section. I'll answer them. Okay. Thank you, everyone.